A cellar door, but not as you know them to be.
Hi, I'm Stacey from Team Visit Wagga Wagga. Come with me as we check out Sturt Winery.
You could almost describe this quaint location as one of our city's hidden gems, due to it being tucked away on campus at Wagga Wagga's Sturt University. This special cellar door is an extension of CSU's leading wine science school, meaning the top drops served here demonstrate interesting varieties and cutting-edge winemaking techniques. Sample the wines to learn more about and taste the boutique range on offer here. Michael, wine extraordinaire for Sturt Winery, was only too happy to guide me through a tasting and share some of the stunning wines on offer. There's everything from fruity, light whites to bold and brassy reds and even bubbles, something for every palate. Once you've done enjoying a tasting, be sure to enjoy a cheeky cheese platter in the sunshine, a touch of Tuscany, I think so, and don't forget to grab a bottle or 3 of the favourite drops you've tasted. To discover more great attractions for when you pay our Wagga Wagga and surrounds region a visit, hit the link in our bio or head to visitwagga.com.